Steelmain steel pipeline systems provide an easy, flexible and cost-effective solution for installing restrained bends. Steelmain has a complete range of welded socket and spigot-ended pipes and fittings to complement its sinter joint pipeline system. These special-ended pipes and fittings enable welded restrained bends to be integrated into our sinter joint rubber ring joint pipeline system with minimum time and effort. This eliminates the need for on-site fabrication or using expensive and cumbersome thrust blocks. To change the pipeline from a sinter joint RRJ pipeline system to a welded pipeline system, a transition pipe is used. This is an upstream transition pipe with a sinter joint rubber ring spigot on the upstream end and a welded socket on the downstream end. The transition pipe is simply installed by inserting the rubber ring spigot into the rubber ring socket, as per the normal procedure for making a sinter joint. A specified number of welded spherical spigot and socket pipes can be installed to meet the design requirements of the restraint provided by the surrounding soil, in accordance with the pipeline pressure rating. Once these pipes are installed, a special pup pipe is required, cut to correct size and installed. This pup pipe contains a welded spherical spigot on both ends. A section of this pipe is used prior to the bend to ensure the bend is positioned in the correct chainage along the pipeline. The pup is marked, then cut to the required length. The cut end of the pipe is prepared for welding by stripping the Sintercoat corrosion protection coating and removing the weld crown from the spirally welded pipe shell. The remaining pup can be used on any bend where it is the appropriate length. The prepared pup is installed by inserting the spherical spigot into the spherical socket. The angle of the pipe is adjusted to enable the correct location of the bend. The pipe is welded and reinstated with a heat shrink sleeve. The maximum amount of angular deflection allowed for this joint is 3 degrees. As with Steelmain's standard spherical socket and spigot welded pipe joints, the bend using the plain end is butted up to the end of the pup, welded using a weld collar, then heat shrink sleeve reinstatement is applied. Note, there is no angular deflection permitted with weld collars. A downstream transition pipe is required to convert the welded pipeline back to a sinter joint system. The downstream transition pipe has a welded spherical spigot on the upstream end and a sinter joint rubber ring socket on the downstream end. The downstream transition pipe is installed using the welded spherical socket end on the bend. This joint allows for adjustments to be made to the bend angle of up to 3 degrees in any direction. This process is an efficient and simple way to achieve optimum laying rates for your next pipeline project. Steelmain's steel pipeline systems provide the flexibility you need.